Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to use ChatGPT from the beginning. If you have never used ChatGPT before, don't worry. This tutorial is specially made for beginners. By the end of this video, you will know how to use ChatGPT for studying, writing, coding, creating content, and much more. So, let's get started. First, let us understand what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence assistant developed by OpenAI. You can ask questions just like you are talking to a real person. It can explain difficult topics. It can write emails. It can create stories. It can solve programming problems. It can help students with homework. It can even help YouTube creators generate ideas and scripts. The best thing about ChatGPT is that it gives answers in just a few seconds. Now, let me show you how to use it. Open your web browser. Search for ChatGPT. Open the official website. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up. You can sign up using your Google account, Apple account, or email address. After logging in, you will see the ChatGPT homepage. At the bottom of the page, there is a message box. This is where you type your questions. Let's try our first example. Type this prompt, explain artificial intelligence in simple English. Press enter. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT gives a clear explanation. If the answer is difficult, you can simply ask, explain it like I am 10 years old. This is one of the best features of ChatGPT. You can always ask follow-up questions until you understand the topic. Now, let's see another useful example. Suppose, you are a student. You want to write a leave application for school. Instead of writing it yourself, ChatGPT can do it in just a few seconds. In the message box, type this prompt, write a leave application for school. Now, press enter. Look at the result. ChatGPT has written a complete leave application. It includes the date, the subject, a polite reason for leave, and a proper closing. If you want to make any changes, just ask ChatGPT. For example, write a leave application for 2 days because I have a fever. Or, write a leave application in simple English. This is much faster, and it saves your time. Now let's write a professional email. Type this prompt, write a professional leave email because I have a fever for 2 days. Press enter. ChatGPT creates a complete email in just a few seconds. If you want a shorter email, type, make it shorter. If you want a more formal email, type, make it more professional. You can improve the answer as many times as you want. Now, let's look at another useful feature of ChatGPT. Sometimes, we have to read long articles, research papers, or study notes. Reading everything can take a lot of time. But don't worry, ChatGPT can help us summarize long text in just a few seconds. First, copy any long paragraph. Then, paste it into ChatGPT. Now type this prompt. Summarize this paragraph in 5 points. Press enter. Look at the result. Instead of showing a long paragraph, ChatGPT gives 5 short and easy to understand points. This makes the information simple, clear, and quick to read. Students can use this feature to revise notes before exams. Teachers can use it to prepare short summaries. Professionals can use it to understand long reports faster. If you want an even shorter summary, you can ask, summarize this paragraph in 3 points. Or, if you need more details, you can ask, explain each point with an example. This is a great feature for saving time and understanding information much faster. Now, let's see how ChatGPT can help students. Many students want to study regularly, but they don't know how to make a proper study timetable. Don't worry, ChatGPT can do this in just a few seconds. In the message box, type this prompt, create a 7-day study timetable for class 10. Now, press enter. Look at the result. ChatGPT creates a complete study plan. It divides the whole week into 7 days. Each day has a study schedule. It also includes time for revision, short breaks, and different subjects. This helps students study every subject without feeling stressed. If you want, you can also customize it. For example, type, create a 7-day study timetable for class 10 students preparing for board exams. Now, let's see how ChatGPT can help YouTube creators. Sometimes, we want to make a new video, but we don't know what topic to choose. In this situation, ChatGPT can give us amazing ideas. Type this prompt, give me 10 YouTube video ideas about AI. Now, press enter. Look at the result. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT generates 10 different video ideas. You can use these ideas to create YouTube videos. If you want a specific type of ideas, you can ask, give me 10 YouTube Shorts ideas about AI. Or, give me 10 viral AI video ideas for beginners. Or, give me 10 AI business ideas for YouTube. The more details you give, the better the suggestions become. This feature saves a lot of time and helps creators. Now, let's see how ChatGPT can help with programming. Suppose you are learning Python and you want to write your first program. Simply type this prompt, write Python code to print hello world. Now, press enter. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT generates the complete Python program. It writes the code correctly, and if you ask, it can also explain every line of the program. This is very useful for beginners who are learning programming for the first time. You can also ask ChatGPT to write the same program in Java, C, any other programming language. This makes learning programming faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Now, let's explore another useful feature of ChatGPT. ChatGPT can also translate text into different languages. This is very helpful for students, teachers, travelers, and professionals. Let's see how it works. In the message box, type this prompt, translate this sentence into Hindi. Then, write the sentence you want to translate. Now, press enter. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT translates the sentence into Hindi. The translation is clear, easy to understand, and ready to use. You can also translate text into many other languages, such as Marathi, French, Spanish, German, or Japanese. If you want a simpler translation, just ask, translate this into simple Hindi. Now, let's see another useful feature of ChatGPT. ChatGPT can also help you create a simple diet plan. Just type this prompt, write a healthy diet plan for beginners. Now, press enter. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT creates a daily diet plan. It may include breakfast, lunch, dinner, and healthy snacks. This is useful for people who want to start eating healthier or build better daily habits. If you have specific preferences, you can customize the prompt. For example, write a healthy vegetarian diet plan for beginners. Or, write a healthy diet plan for weight loss. Or, write a healthy diet plan with Indian food. ChatGPT will generate a plan based on your request. Remember, these are general suggestions. If you have a medical condition or special dietary needs, always consult a qualified doctor or dietitian before following a diet plan. Now, let's see another amazing feature of ChatGPT. ChatGPT can also help you plan your trips. Suppose you want to visit Goa, but you have a limited budget. Simply type this prompt, plan a 3-day trip to Goa with a budget of 20,000 rupees. Now, press enter. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT creates a complete travel plan. It suggests places to visit, a daily schedule, estimated expenses, and even travel tips. If you want to make changes, you can simply update your prompt. For example, plan a family trip to Goa. Or, plan a solo trip to Goa. Or, plan a luxury trip to Goa. ChatGPT will create a new plan based on your requirements. This feature is very useful for planning holidays and saving time. Before you leave, here are 3 important tips. Tip number 1. Always ask clear questions. Instead of saying, write an email, say, write a professional leave email for my manager because I am sick for 2 days. The more details you give, the better the answer. Tip number 2. Ask ChatGPT to improve its own answer. You can say, make it shorter, make it easier, add examples, rewrite it professionally. Tip number 3. Keep asking follow-up questions. Think of ChatGPT as a conversation, not just a one-time search. Now you know how to use ChatGPT for learning, writing, coding, planning, and creating content. This is only the beginning. In future videos, I will show you more advanced ChatGPT tricks, powerful prompts, and other amazing AI tools that can save you time. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also, tell me in the comments, what would you like to use ChatGPT for? Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.